Hey guys, this is Sin. It's been a hot minute since we've seen Sin on here, but here we go. She's going to get some blue and turquoise today, so I'm going to foil the heck out of her. And I'm going to do a brick lay fashion up the back of the head, just giving her a lot of coverage and territory. So now when I go up the side of the head, onto the top, I'm going to do a horizontal fashion instead of vertical because you're going to get a lot more highlight for bang for your buck, I guess, kind of say. So now I'm going to go in with FunkHue, and of course I'm using Olaplex throughout this whole thing, and I'm doing like big triangle sections throughout her head. So I'm going to go triangle this way and triangle that way. So I'm going to go like diagonal back, diagonal forward. I hope that makes sense. And I am going to paint on the blue and then the turquoise in big triangle chunks. And guys, I didn't have time to curl her because I got super busy, but it came out really pretty. The dimension's beautiful. Guys, don't forget, I got all kinds of links in the bio. Don't forget to like, share, and follow. Hey guys, and if you liked that video, don't forget to check out this one. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the ding dong.